Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a fantastic Sunday. We have some hot deals over at Walgreens. We have a new month and they have really made it fantastic. So we have some very cheap gain and then a couple freebies and cheapies and some really great clearance as well in this video. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it really helps me out and the channel to make sure that this video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. So if you could take a quick second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Now these are two boosters. At the top we have the digital, the bottom is the paper. We will discuss deals with the boosters at the end of the video. This is a $14 stack on a $35 basket. I know a lot of you love these kind of deals. So they'll be at the very end. And if you're hearing me say do a deal with no booster, these are boosters. So please pay attention to that, guys. I know it could be really confusing for new shoppers, but these are both the digital and paper booster. And yes, they do stack in store. We're going to start off with some easy deals. The first is the Simply Venus disposable razor for $3.79. This morning we got a very generous $3 digital coupon, making your razor 79 cents. And I think you get like 10 of these disposable razors in the bag, so it's quite a bit of them. If this is your thing, you like disposable razors, very good price point. Now in the travel section, some stores have this travel section, some stores don't. If you look at the very top on that pegboard thing, there's an Advil there for $3.79. And guess what? That $3 digital, if you didn't do this deal last week, it's still attaching to said product. So this is just a pretty easy deal. If you have no issues with this deal, by all means make it happen. If you don't want to do this deal, don't make it happen. But we have a $3 digital. It's attaching to this product, making it 79 cents. The kind of item I love to have in my purse. So just a quick little deal. So you're going to pick either the $3 OralB toothbrushes or the Crest that's $3. My store was not completely tagged this morning, but it's a $3 register reward when you buy 2 of these. Quick scan with the Walgreens app. These OralB brushes are $3 each, so I grabbed 2 of them. This morning we got a very generous 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have that guy loaded because it's a terrific coupon. So very basic deal here, guys. 2 of these brushes for $6. They're $3 each. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay 2. Get back a $3 register reward, making this free and a $1 money maker. And if you have no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. And then just to give you a quick peek, here is the register reward. So $3 compliments of P&G. How lovely is that? The next freebie that we have is on the Dove shampoo. So these are $4 each this week, and we have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have that guy loaded right away. We don't want any funny business where they make it disappear or something like that. So 2 of these shampoos for $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward, making it free. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, you can roll $3 in Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. And that's a perfectly fine deal. There's nothing better than free shampoo, so I love this deal. And then just to give you eyes on this, here's the $3 register reward courtesy of Unilever, the parent company of Dove shampoo. The next deal that we're looking at is with the Palmolive for $2.99. This morning, we got a blessing of a $3.50 digital coupon. Very basic deal. 2 of these Palmolives is $5.98. $3.50 off of 2. You're going to pay $2.48 for the 2 or $1.24 per bottle of dish soap. They are massive. Check your IBOTTA if there's any rebate back. You might be lucky with that. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now we're going to look at some clearance. Clearance is always a your mileage may vary, but what's happening here in Michigan might be the same in Texas, but it might be completely different in Maine. But you will never know unless you go and try, and these are in-store deals only. The first is with this children's Allegra. It was on clearance for $1.49, which is really cheap. Unfortunately, I couldn't use a digital coupon to go with. So IBOTTA has $4 back. So it made it free and a $2.51 moneymaker. I already got it. So that was fantastic. I also found some Olay, which was bizarre. One was $4.19 and one was $3.99. So after that $5 digital coupon, it was $3.18 for the two. I'll pay that all day for Olay. And yeah, it's just absolutely crazy to see these in the clearance aisle. I was like, what? This next deal I could not do. I needed to track down at least $5 of clearance Olay, and these were $2.49 each, so I was 2 cents short from using that $5 digital coupon. With the digital coupons at Walgreens in store, you have to surpass that $5 mark, and I was too shy to do it. But if you could find 3 of them, it would be $2.46 for the 3, which is not a bad price point. Have a sweet tooth, or if this is what you want to hand out for Halloween, or if you just love Kit Kats, the Kit Kat snack size bags are two for $5 or $5 for 2. It makes them $2.50 each, which is a fantastic price point. Also, another fantastic deal are these freezer bags or food storage bags by the Walgreens brand. $2.79 for the first one you'll pay, and the other 2 are free. So it makes it 93 cents per, and each box has 20. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you love to freeze things, such as yours truly, these always come in handy. I love to buy these for 93 cents. That is a terrific price point. Now, looking at the Shea Moisture deodorant, they're $10.99, $5 reward when you buy 2 or more. We were given this very generous 10 off of 2 digital coupon. So make sure you have that guy loaded. So grabbing 2 of these, it'll be $21.96. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $11.98. Get back that $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt. I believe Fetch Rewards has 1,500 points back for each deodorant. Double, triple check your account. It makes it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per. No booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. And your Fetch might also have other rebates like spend 20, get back 15. So you might actually get this close to free. I didn't have those, unfortunately. Okay, friends, so now we're going to look at the double stack that I did, the 7 back when you spend 35 digital, which is at the top, and the bottom one, which is the paper one. If you can't get that paper one, may I suggest you order a 4x6 print through the Walgreens app, drive to the store, pick it up at the photo counter, and one might print for you. I think last Wednesday they were printing out. I did 2 transactions and I got 2. I know a lot of you that's not happening, but possibly that if you get the cheapest print and then drive to the store, one might print for you. That's been happening for some of you. In the basket, I have 4 Gain items for $21.96. 2 of those dental care products, we've already jogged through that deal for $6, and 2 Dove shampoos for $8. So this is just a little bit over $35, and I double, triple checked the math. Now, the one product that we didn't go through is the Gain, and we're going to go through that one more time. So it is $5.49. $5 register reward when you buy 4. So what I did was I got a couple different products because there's a bunch of different digital coupons, and I wanted to see like what'll attach, what will work. And unfortunately, in the store, they were all attaching, but at the register, one didn't. So I'm going to have to call customer service and complain. And here's all of my digitals. I think the dryer sheet one didn't attach. So I'm going to have to call and complain, and hopefully they'll, help me out or whatever. $1 is $1, and I'm no place here to mess around. So I will contact customer service for that missing $1. So here's the math for this. 4 of the Gains for $21.96. 2 of the brushes for $6, 2 of those OralB brushes, and then 2 Dove shampoos for $8 for a total of $35.96. I got the cashier to scan my paper booster, which is a 7 back when you spend $35. I had my digital booster loaded as well. And also I had $13.55 in digitals, a whole mirage of digitals for the Gain. I had a $4 for the OralB and a $5 for the Dove. So with my debit card, I paid $22.41, got back $14 in Walgreens cash for that double stack, $12 in register rewards. For me, this was free plus a $3.59 moneymaker. If you only have one $7 booster, this entire haul will be $3.41, which I think is extreme couponing. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using those 2 boosters. Now, alternatively, from last week, if you were doing different deals and you have some manufacturer register rewards, yes, you can throw them in to get your out of pocket a lot less. I used 2 $5 ones. I'm not really sure what these are from, but I bought something last week and got them. And if you look at the very top, see how it says manufacturer coupon? Yes, you can use them. And they worked for me this morning. I paid a lot less out of pocket, and then I got back my $14 in Walgreens cash and all of my register rewards, which was absolutely terrific. Good luck with this, and I would definitely go in store and look for that clearance today. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.